welcome back to Research Circle. So, we are continuing our series of journals indexing, and today we are discussing about UGC CARE journals. So, many researchers get this question that what is UGC CARE list and what is its detail, which country it belongs to, and what are its limitations. That all we are going to cover in this particular video. So, let's get started. So the first thing here is to know what is UGC. So here are some point mentioned that UGC is belongs to India. UGC stands for University Grant Commission of India, and it is a statutory body of Department of Higher Education under Ministry of Education, Government of India, in accordance of UGC Act 1956. Now, it provides recognition to universities in India and disbursement of funds to such organization, university and colleges. The headquarters stands in New Delhi and it has 6 regional centers, that is Pune, Bhopal, Kolkata, Hyderabad and Guwahati and Bangalore. Now, this UGC has been founded in 1953 and its current chairman is D.P. Singh. So this is all about your UGC, and we know it belongs to India. Then the next point come here is UGC approved journal list. Many times this question asked, what is UGC CARE list? What is UGC CARE list journals? So journals that of medium through which candidates publish their article under the category of UGC CARE. Now, publishing in UGC CARE list journals will give 2 marks while calculating API score. This is we are talking about Indian universities. And what is API stands for? It's Academic Performance Index. Okay, so while their academic performance evaluation, they will get 2 marks when if their article or their research work got published in UGC journals. Okay. The next point here is, if any aspirants or any researchers choose any private journals for their researchers or other than list, it is not to be considered as a valid. So when it comes to UGC or India, UGC CARE publication is mandatory in some colleges. Now we have to understand what is UGC CARE list. Earlier there was more than 5,000 journals in the UGC CARE, and around 88% of them were found predatory. What is predatory journals? Either it is fake or it is more or profit oriented. That is what we call predatory journals. But in UGC approved and has come up with the solution with the UGC CARE reference list of quality journals. So this is the notice that they have published in 2019, and with that list they have constituted a CARE list, and CARE stands for Consortium for Academic and Research Ethics. It is to ensure preventing of academic misconduct that include plagiarism in academic writing among the student, faculty and researchers. Now this CARE list has been set up to identify, continuously monitoring and maintaining the UGC CARE reference list of quality journals. Now we have to understand again what is UGC CARE list. Following are the reasons for the setup of UGC CARE: to promote only quality research, academic integrity and publication ethics in all Indian universities. Then for promoting high quality publications in reputed journals to achieve higher global rank. So if you want to find what is UGC CARE list, you need to go through this website, that is ugccare.unipune.aic.in. As you can see on your screen, you will appear this window and you will come up with all the necessary informations that you need to know what is UGC, all about UGC. So as we can see on your screen, there are 2 UGC CARE lists, UGC CARE list 1 and UGC CARE group list 2. So what does it means? That UGC are found qualified journals to their UGC protocols. Whatever the journal qualifies their protocol comes under UGC Care List 1. In UGC Care List 2, they have specially mentioned journal indexed in globally recognized database. What does it mean? All the Scopus Index journal, Web of Science Index journals come under UGC Care Group List 2. So they haven't mentioned specified set of journals, name of journals. They have clearly mentioned all the journals that is recognized globally are come under UGC Care List Group 2. Moving forward to the next point, that is where you will find this list. Just go to Google and type there UGC Care List. The first window that appears, UGC Care Pune University, that will be the genuine and official website. So go there, you will find this list. Again, they have mentioned fake care website or list of clone journals. As you can see on your screen, they have just specifically mentioned that these are the cloned journal. What does mean by clone journal? They might have a two website, or they might have a fake website. So these are the clone journals that have they mentioned. Just visit there and click on the group 1 clone journals and group 2 clone journals. You will find that. And regarding that, they have noticed also. So this was the video about UGC Care List journals. What is UGC Care, what does it stands for, and what is all about. We will come with the more videos that how to find a particular journal is UGC Care List or not. So I hope you like this video, you have got something about this UGC Care, and we'll continue this series of indexing. And stay tuned with us. Do subscribe to Research Circle if you haven't done yet, and do not forget to share this video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.